What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. We are 2 hours away from home, out here in literally the middle of nowhere. Because today we are actually tuning it. I am still on my rear mount tunes, but since I went top mount, I do need a retune. A whole line of cars just pulled up. We just gotta wait our turn till it's time to tune. I'm curious to see the difference. Last time I made around 620 wheel with about 550 torque on the rear mount setup, so we'll see how much power it makes this time. Honestly, if it gets around the same numbers, I'll be really happy. Even if we make a little bit less, I'll still be okay. Because of the top mount, it definitely doesn't have as much lag. So honestly, lag makes all the difference. So especially when you're roll racing and stuff like that, you don't want much lag. Sheesh. Some of the cars that are ready. G Squad. Nice. These are my numbers. Right here is horsepower, here is torque. So I have a T3 housing turbo. So the reason that I'm not pushing as much as last time is because the AR housing is a lot smaller than my last setup. And I need to switch over to a, sorry about the wind noise, I need to switch over to a T4 turbo. So yeah, we're gonna have to get a new setup to get to the 600s again. What is going on, guys? It is the next day after the dyno. So as you guys saw in the dyno, I didn't make that much power. At first we thought it was because of the turbine housing, like the AR size. I thought it was a T3 turbo, but I was wrong. The reason I thought it was a T3 turbo is because I ordered a T3 heat blanket for my turbo, but it's not a T3, it's actually a vabnd. And it's a 1.06 AR housing, open scroll. Turns out, yeah, it's not my AR housing at all. We're not quite sure what the problem is. But we noticed that that brake booster is actually pulling boost away from the engine. So another thing we noticed is that the vacuum line on the source is collapsing. And try to rearrange that setup. I'll show you guys in the next video how I fix it or what solution we come up with, if we can even find one. But until then, guys, I am on low boost, and I'm talking about like, I think the max I'll make is like 550. But until I fix that line, I'm not even making 550. So right now I'm making like 500. So it's not extremely fast, but it's still a fun car because it's so light and small. And I still enjoy to drive it. It drives great. Like, there's no other issues besides, you know, I'm not building boost. Be in Mexico tonight and hopefully get some runs in. Got a Supra right here. Got an M right here. We got some more cars over there. We got a big turbo M54 from the last video over there. We got a Supra right here. Got my dog's car right here. Hey, you good, G? Yeah. You taking a nap? Yeah. Sheesh. Bead lock on this. And we got the Euro cars out here. Beamer. Mercedes. Hopefully it's a good night. Suck at digs, bro. I'm down to go though. Yeah. How do you want to do it? I don't have a horn. Yeah. Do a roll?
You're not gonna kill me, are you?
Nah.
Hell yeah, that's what's up.
I'm so scared.
How was that?
That was scary.
You think so?
That was fun though.
That was fun, right?
Yeah. My chest. Oh
it was fun though, right? Oh shit.
Yeah, it was fun. Oh my gosh. That was fun. I felt him more like
Than their car?
Yeah.
Roller coaster?
Yeah.
Let's go!
I felt him more.
Roller coaster vibes.
Oh yeah.
Huh? you launch it or no?
I can't launch, no.
Yeah.
You want to do a 40 roll or something? 50 roll? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. 40, 50?
40.
Okay.
It's not that long, that's why.
40's cool. Yeah, she's moving, bro. This is only like low 500 too. It feels way more though, huh?